Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that there is a circle, center O, radius is given 9 cm, and there is an angle at the center 120 degrees. Find the area of the segment. Okay. Now, how do we find the area of the segment? Green color. So I'm going to highlight where is this green color. It is this. So how do I find this particular area? Do take note. If I can have the area of the sector, which is this blue color, and if I can have this blue color area minus away my triangle, that will give me my green color area of the segment. So that is something very important. So we must have the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle. So that's what I'm going to write here now. So area of this segment, the green color area, is simply equals to the blue color area of the sector. In this case, AOBD minusing away my area of the triangle, AOB. Now the question is, how do we find it? Aha! I got radius and I got the angle. So the blue color area is simply 120 degrees divided by 360 degrees times pi r squared. I also have my, since this is 9, this is radius, this is also radius 9, half AB sine of angle C. 9 times 9 times sine of 120 degrees. And this will give me a value of 49.74897 to about 7 to 8 significant figures. So final answer, 3 significant figure, 49.7 cm square. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.